Brian Jessen with Wintrust Mortgage. Here's your update on mortgages and the economy. Really quick, just to give you an overview what's going on. We'll start with inflation. Inflation's running around 3%, which is higher than the Fed would like. It's not that their 2% goal, but doesn't seem to be going up due to tariffs at this point. So one thought they would go up, at least temporarily, because the tariffs, and it hasn't really hit completely yet. If it's going to hit, there is a government shutdown right now in the federal government. So some of these reports they would normally see by now are not coming out quite yet, like consumer prices, producer prices, but they should be out by the end of the month. The employment picture does seem to be slowing quite a bit. Unemployment rates creeping up a little bit. They're not necessarily a ton of layoffs, but there's not a ton of new hires either. So we'll see if that gets worse. If it does, it would be the Federal Reserve's primary concern. They may do a rate cut at the end of this month. They'll do another one perhaps mid-December. Then they're saying basically they're not going to do a ton of them going forward, maybe 1 in 26 and 1 in 27, but a lot to be had before that actually happens. As far as mortgage rates, they're kind of about an eighth or a quarter from the absolute low of the year, but still reasonable and much lower than at the beginning of the year. So please call me to talk about that. Also, I want to highlight one of our programs. We have a great one close construction to permanent. So if you have a listing or you have clients interested in either listing a house that needs work or buy a house that needs significant work, we can finance the future value of that home. So Brian Jessen with Wintrust Mortgage, please like and share this video, and we'll talk to you at the end of the week. Bye now.